College is part of the American dream. It shouldn't have to be a financial nightmare. If you have student loans and you'd like to reduce your payments, get more time to pay, or have your loans completely eliminated, then we have good news. New programs are available right now to give you immediate relief. We've already helped thousands of people, and we can help you too. The call is free, so what are you waiting for? There are dozens of programs available right now. Reduce your payments, reduce your loan amounts, extend the time you have to pay, and thanks to a new government relief program, you may even qualify to have your student loans completely eliminated. Which program is right for you? The only way to find out is to call the number on your screen. Operators are standing by right now to answer your questions. Call 800-485-3333. The call is free, so what are you waiting for? Call 800-485-3333.